What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I don't know if you can tell, but we are at Laguna Seca Raceway. We're watching some Indy cars today. They're doing a test day. Let's see if we can get one flying past us. Yeah, so today's gonna be a good day. Later on in this video, we're gonna go ahead and install those side skirts from Strafe Design. Let's get to it. So it just started raining. We made it back to the garage in time. Got the Audi in here. I'm gonna get it jacked up and we're gonna put those side skirts on. Okay, so far the process has been to drill a pilot hole through the side skirt as well as into the OEM side skirt. Under here, I have these self-tapping screws and washers. Basically what I did was I took toothpaste, put it on this side, mounted the splitter up to where I wanted it, make it nice and even with the body. It's kind of angled right now, so it doesn't look good. There we go. Nice and perfect. And I'm basically doing the same thing on the other side over here. Got a little toothpaste right there. Line it up. I'm also taking measurements on each side to make sure that is equal and straight throughout the whole body. So it is a tedious process, especially doing it in a garage, but take your time. Make sure those measurements are perfect and even on both sides. Put a pilot hole with a drill bit. Makes it a lot easier for those self-tapping screws. Oh, well, okay, hold on here. That is not supposed to happen. So we may have to go buy another bit. But you can see, I'll take the camera here. Process I'm doing, I measured both ends. We're good. Over there, over here. We're on the other side now. But basically, every 1.5 feet or so, I'm putting a washer and a screw, and barely had enough. Oh! Blooper. Oh, watch out for those. Oh, that hurt. All right, so the side skirts are on. I'm super stoked with how they look. Let's go out into the rain. It's gonna be kind of difficult, but we're gonna go outside. We're gonna take some photos of the car, and I'll give you a little walk around on the side skirts. So Steven's taking some bangers today. These look really good. I'm super happy with how they look. From like every angle, they look really good. They match the body line well. Both sides. Super nice. The only thing I could suggest is if there was a way to make them go lower to the ground to kind of match how my splitter looks. It's not like super different in height, but it would be kind of cool to have them a little bit lower. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video with the Indy cars and then putting these side skirts on. Let me know if you have any suggested videos for me to do, any modifications I should do to the car. Let me know in the comments section below. I will also put a link to down below for these side skirts. They are Strafe design and they're very nice. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.